back to my channel. As you can see, I have a pretty big Boxycharm here, and that is because I'm gonna be unboxing the limited edition skincare box. I was not going to purchase it, and then at the last minute, of course, I did. I was lucky enough to get one of these boxes because they did sell out. They did not say they were going to bring this back in stock, but they just keep saying to keep your eyes peeled for more information. So who knows what they're going to do next. But this value was absolutely amazing. It was well over a $200 value, and the box was $49.99. So I'm going to show you everything that I received. There were only 2 variations, and I will tell you what those products are. I'll also have a link down below for Boxycharm because Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21 a month, and you do get 4 to 5 full-size items. They also have BoxyLuxe, which is every 3 months, and that would be $49.99 total during the BoxyLuxe month. So I will have all that information linked down below, but in the meantime, let's get into this skincare box. When you open it up, as usual, there will be a pamphlet on the top, and it does say Boxy Limited Skincare Unlimited Glow, limited quantities, says tag hashtag Boxy Skin for a chance to be featured. Now, I do have an Instagram where I already posted all these products onto. I'm not going to turn the other side over, but on the other side, it does give you all your products and the prices. So the first product, I don't really consider this a skincare product, but it is kind of a skincare brand, and this is for Sally. I actually don't own anything from this brand, but I did want to purchase that 24 karat gold skin mist. This is the for Sally Jelly Beam Highlighter. This is actually valued at $40. Now, they did offer this in 2 different shades. They had this shade, which is rose gold, and they had another one, which I don't remember what it was called, if it was called Glow Up or I'm not really sure. I will have it on the screen somewhere here what the other shade is called. So you would get one or the other. It says, you're definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Versali Jelly Beam Highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder, always delivering a high shine finish. The concentrated pigment makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. So this is a very, very interesting product. I have not had anything like this, and there is a specific way to apply this to your skin. This is absolutely beautiful packaging. You know, this is something that I would display with all my other pretty bottles. As you can see, it literally is like a jelly. It's literally like a jello. And it does say that the way you want to apply it is to slightly tap finger into product, then swipe onto desired area and blend using fingers or brush. For best coverage, use fingers for applying and blending. Can be mixed in with foundation or moisturizer, and you could use it over or under makeup. This is something that you could actually use on like a no makeup kind of day. I lightly tapped my finger into the product, and you can see how much it actually picked up. And then it says here, you really just want to swipe. And then, you know, you want to blend it. So it's a very, very pretty shimmery shade. It dried so quickly. That's how quickly this sets. You really have to work with this quick, and that is the only downside of this product. Okay, the next product, I actually have this already, and I received it in a BeautyFix box. This is actually the variation product. You could have received either this Caudalie Grape Water, which is valued at $10, or you could have received Korres wipes. I would have liked to get the wipes instead, just because I already have this, but I love a good face mist, and Caudalie is one of my favorite brands. Extracted from French grapes, your new Caudalie Organic Grape Water helps increase hydration and reduce redness. Safe for sensitive skin, the fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturize, and love. This next product here, I was kind of about because I don't really use these. I actually have one already that I don't really use, but this is the Cosmetics Jade Roller, and it's valued at $32. It comes in this little pouch. I spend enough time with my skincare that I just don't use this. I have one already, like I said. It's in my freezer. I try to use it occasionally, but I don't use it regularly enough to see any kind of difference. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. The tool your skincare routine has been missing. This Jade Crystal Facial Roller takes your skincare products to another level. By helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better, you'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This next product here I absolutely love. I've tried it before. I actually purchased one and I received one in an Allure Beauty Box, but this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sheet Mask, and they actually gave us two. They're valued at $16. It says, hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask literally like no other. Glow Recipe's Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. It is very, very soothing, and I love the way that this fits on my face. Usually sheet masks don't fit on my face very well. I end up having to like fold them over. Like they just don't feel like they fit right. But this one, since you can kind of see that it's kind of like a jelly, it just fits on your skin so, so good. It's just really, really cooling and hydrating. This next product I actually heard amazing things about, and this is from Kopari. It's valued at $32, and it's the Coconut Cleansing Oil. It says it's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and a very soft surface. This is the actual component. This is supposed to remove makeup very, very well. You're supposed to pump into hands and massage onto wet or dry face for 30 seconds or until makeup is removed. And then you'll rinse with warm water. It actually says that you can use this daily, AM and PM. To be honest with you, I will not use this in the morning because I do have oily skin, especially in the summertime. So this is gonna be more of a makeup remover where I do a second cleanse. I'll use this to remove my makeup and then go in with my regular cleanser at night. But I am definitely looking forward to having something that easily removes my makeup. We also have something that I have been dying to try for the longest time. This is from Saturday Skin. This is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. This is valued at $28. It says gently and visibly remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts, this peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. This is what it looks like. It is adorable packaging. I love Saturday Skin. I haven't tried many products from them. So far, I really do enjoy the brand from what I have tried. So what you're supposed to do with this is cleanse your skin and then pat dry. After your face is dry, you're gonna gently apply this to your face and then rub in circular motions for 1 minute. As you're applying this to your face, you're gonna feel like little balls kind of start to form under your hands. It basically removes all these surface dead skin cells that are on your face that you don't get off with a normal cleanser, and you could actually see it and feel it being removed from your face. This is something that I would use about once or twice a week, no more than that, because you don't want to over exfoliate your face. But the next thing is from a brand that I have recently fell in love with so much. This is from Elemis. This is the Superfood Night Cream. This is valued at $45, and it is literally 1 ounce, and it's $45. So this is a very, very pricey brand. I just went through the Pro Collagen Marine Cream that we received in one of the first BoxyLux boxes, and oh my God, that cream is amazing. I've never gone through a cream so quickly. Usually I like to switch off every now and then, but that one, I used it to the last drop, and I will not be repurchasing it because it is $135. So very pricey brand, but their products are incredible. They really do work. This one says here, wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. The Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated super green complex replenishes your skin's barrier for a way smoother and way softer skin. Last but not least was a product I was most excited about, that this is the reason why I even purchased this box. This is the Glam Glow Super Serum. This is valued at $65. So this is the star of the box. I've had this on my loves list at Sephora for the longest time, actually ever since it came out. And it's supposed to work to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines. Powered by activated charcoal to refine pores and the Super 6 acid blend, a high potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin tone and texture. I really do like to use my more heavy duty serums at night, and in the daytime I really kind of just keep it light, but this is supposed to exfoliate, plump, and it pore refine. I always love the Glam Glow packaging. It just always looks so luxe. And this is such a pretty little bottle. But now the 6 acids that it has inside here is lactic, pyruvic, tartaric, mandelic, which I heard mandelic is very, very good for acne prone skin, glycolic. I really wouldn't use this in the day. I would only use it at night. That's my preference, but it does say in the back of the box here that you can use this morning and or night. So I just found in this box, they also gave a little sample of the Glam Glow Clearing Treatment Mask. This mask is actually something I've had the full size of, and I really do like it. So that is it for my unboxing of the Boxy Limited Skincare Box. Let me know down below what you think of this box, and if you actually got your hands on it as well. For $50, I really think it was worth it, just because the value is so high for this box. Again, I will have the link for Boxycharm down below if you're interested. And also keep a lookout for all my upcoming subscription box unboxings for May 2019. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. My Instagram name is skincare_glam. Again, that is also in the description box. I do post on there as well. Feel free to share my channel, help me grow my channel even more. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.